Today I'm going to show you how to make fried rice, or we call it nasi goreng in Indonesia. I have met several foreigners that say that Indonesian fried rice tastes better than fried rice from other countries. So let's dig in. For ingredients in this recipe, I use minced garlic and minced red onions, sauteed shrimp fry, vegetable oil, green onions, chili, eggs, meatballs, rice, and few different sauces. All these ingredients are listed below in the description. In Indonesian fried rice, the sauce is the most important ingredient. You can find these sauces in most Oriental or Asian stores. In this recipe, I use a soy sauce. This is what it looks like. I also use Kecap Manis ABC, fish sauce, and also oyster sauce. Pour all of these sauces into a bowl. Please see description below for the amount of the sauces. For a note, this sauteed shrimp fry paste is optional. Your fried rice will still taste delicious without it, but it also gives a very nice flavor to the fried rice. First step, pour about 1 tablespoon oil into preheated non-stick pan. Make sure the oil is spread evenly in the pan. Into the oil, add 2 eggs and scramble it. After the eggs cook enough, add the sliced meatball into the pan. Stir the meatballs and the eggs, leave it in the pan for about 3 minutes, and then put them aside into a small bowl. Into the same pan, pour about 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, heat it for about 1 minute, and then add minced garlic. Stir it until the garlic becomes lightly brown, then add the minced red onions. It is important to mince the garlic and red onions because it will give more flavor to the fried rice. Stir them for about 3 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon sauteed shrimp fry and stir. Leave it for a minute and then add green onions and chili. Wait until the red onions become medium brown and then add eggs and meatballs that was fried before. Stir the eggs and meatball with other ingredients and then add rice. For the type of rice, it's best to use leftover rice that had already cooled down. You also can keep your rice in the fridge before you use it. Do not worry about rice being dry because the sauce will cool it down. Stir the rice with all the ingredients and make sure there is no lumps. Add the sauce and stir about 3 to 5 minutes to make sure all the sauces are all over the rice. In the end, add green onion leaf, stir it, and taste the fried rice. In this recipe, I add half teaspoon of salt. If you're using this recipe, you have to be careful with the amount of salt to add because the soy sauce and the sauteed shrimp fry is already salty. Stir the fried rice and it should be ready to serve. In Indonesia, this nasi goreng is usually served with fried egg or chicken satay. Give this recipe a try and let us know what do you think in the comment. Bon appetit!